Hello, my name is Dave Cranage, North American Field Sales Engineer for Sage Software Group. Managing supplier relationships efficiently is essential for ensuring both quality and cost-effectiveness in procurement. In this video, we'll explore how Sage X3's powerful supplier performance management features can help you achieve these goals. We'll start with a brief overview of Sage X3, then explore three key aspects of supplier performance management: performance tracking, supplier segmentation, and risk assessment using features in the supplier master like three-way matching, ranking, and financial risk assessments. Finally, we'll look at how X3's business intelligence tools analyze supplier performance trends. Now, let's take a closer look inside Sage X3 and explore how these tools can enhance your procurement efficiency and supplier relationships. Sage X3 is a global ERP solution for manufacturing and wholesale distribution, offering tools for finance, inventory, and production management. It streamlines operations, simplifies meeting compliance requirements, and helps boost profitability with powerful traceability, optimized planning, and real-time insights. At Sage, we recognize the importance of maintaining strong supplier relationships and cultivating strategic partnerships. Your procurement team needs quick access to the right information to do that effectively. With role-based permissions and customizable landing pages featuring links, gadgets, visual process flows, inquiries, and KPI-driven dashboards, Sage X3 provides a tailored user experience that enhances efficiency. Adding in supplier performance management drives continuous improvement in procurement. Now, let's navigate to the Manufacturing tab to explore some of Sage X3's supplier performance management features within the Supplier Master. Continuous monitoring of supplier performance is critical to effective procurement management, and Sage X3's three-way matching and tolerance tracking supports this by ensuring consistency and accuracy. X3's three-way matching compares the purchase order, receipt, and invoice to verify alignment in quantity, price, and terms, ensuring discrepancies are identified early in the process. The Matching Tolerance Tracking feature, available in the Management tab of the Supplier Master, monitors key performance indicators such as delivery timeliness, order accuracy, and cost variance, essential metrics for evaluating and optimizing supplier performance. Using Sage X3's Jump feature, we can review the specific 10% warning tolerance applied to our supplier. Each matching tolerance is defined by parameters uniquely tailored to your receiving and invoicing processes. For your purchase receipts, X3 checks for excesses or shortages in ordered quantities within a defined percentage or quantity limit. It also monitors early or late deliveries based on acceptable timeframe variances, with any discrepancies triggering either a warning or blocking action during the receipt process. For your purchase invoices, X3 tracks quantity discrepancies similarly to receipts, but also checks whether the invoice price or line total exceeds or falls short of the order price by a predetermined threshold. As with the receipt process, any discrepancies trigger a warning or blocking action during invoicing. By leveraging this feature, businesses can easily identify reliable suppliers, hold underperforming suppliers accountable, and quickly resolve any issues to minimize disruptions in procurement. Let's head back to the Supplier Master and look at supplier ranking and segmentation. On the Ranking tab, you can score suppliers based on predefined weighted criteria such as lead time, price, quantity, and quality. Additionally, you can define a custom criteria using a free field. For example, in this case, we've defined service performance as one of the evaluation criteria. The spider diagram provides a visual comparison across multiple performance factors, allowing procurement teams to quickly assess supplier performance and make informed decisions when rating suppliers. A calculated total supplier score helps you prioritize, segment, and consistently select the best suppliers for specific needs, whether it's a subcontractor that maintains high quality and precision throughout their process, or an overseas supplier of raw materials that reliably meets predicted delivery dates at a low cost. Let's view our supplier's product list to understand how you can use the calculated total supplier ranking to determine the priority levels for each supplier at the product level. Using our first product, we can see that the supplier's total score has helped the company determine that they are the #1 supplier for this product. X3 leverages this priority during the planning process, empowering your team to respond efficiently and identify primary and secondary suppliers for purchase planning. Let's head back to the Supplier Master to investigate financial risk management. In the right panel, under Inquiries, Accounting, X3 provides real-time insights through the Supplier Risk Analysis Inquiry. This tool offers an enhanced view of your financial situation with the selected supplier by analyzing account balances, transaction history, and outstanding payments. It includes options to track invoices, monitor aging, filter data, and generate reports. You can use this inquiry to view credit control, capture early payment discounts, limit late or missed payment risks, and maintain good standing and strong relationships with your suppliers. Let's click the Sage logo to return to the home page to review how X3's business intelligence tools visualize supplier performance trends for better decision-making. X3 offers powerful reporting and analytics tools for creating customized procurement, KPIs, dynamic reports, and visual dashboards on supplier performance. With this data, you can identify trends, forecast supplier reliability, evaluate rankings, and transition valuable supplier relationships to be more strategic. Let's navigate to the Business Intelligence landing page to view the Purchasing Manager dashboard. This dashboard uses pre-built data models and KPIs based on industry best practices to provide immediate insights. Robust slicers filter data, automatically populating KPIs like data cards, Pareto charts, and analysis tables. This helps procurement teams collaborate, streamline purchasing processes, improve supplier relationships, and maintain data governance, all from a single source of truth. From segmenting suppliers to performing risk analyses, your procurement team will be well positioned to work with the most reliable and cost-effective suppliers using Sage X3. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring how Sage X3 can help optimize your business operations.